Woke up late, no time to play. Oh no, I overslept today. Can't find socks or phone, oh dear. Where is it? It was right here. Heading out. Don't forget, I'll be back by 6, you bet. See someone? Flash a smile. Nice to meet you. Been a while. Feeling hot. Time to chill. Can we turn on the fan or AC will? Running late. Gotta dash. Sorry I'm late. Had to rush. Need to pause. Feeling stress. Let's take a break. I need some rest. Want to watch something cool? Let's play a movie or stream a reel. Someone knocks. Don't delay. Who's at the door? Then say, hey, dinner time, table set. Let's eat now, is it ready yet? Wrapping up the day so tight. It was a long day, good night. Practice daily, line by line, and soon your English will shine just fine.